What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is David Benjamin from Wellstar Reviews and Healthy Wild Free. Today I'm reviewing the Zenowell Luna Plus. This is their newest vagus nerve stimulating device. It's an articular vagus nerve stimulating device, which just simply means that it connects to your ear. There's other devices that connect to your neck or your wrist, but your ear is a very sort of gentle and easy pathway. And what I like about this device in particular is that it's a very passive device, meaning you can wear it and do whatever you're doing. You can sit on the couch, watch a TV show, read a book, whatever it may be. And this will just run for, typically I believe all sessions are 20 minutes. And right now it's in the sleep session. And you have sleep, relax, meditation, relief. And yeah, I think there's actually digestion mode as well within the app. But basically this connects to the app. I believe there's 6 modes on this. And when it connects to the app, it actually, unlike the old device and any other vagus nerve stimulating device I've used, the first thing it does is it scans your face and assesses your heart rate variability, HRV for short, and your sleep score. And what it does is it does a check before your 20-minute session, and then it does a check after by scanning your face again for the end of the session to see how well the vagus nerve stimulation session went. And what I like about that is you get to see real-time before and after charting of your health data, and this gives you insight into the effectiveness of the Zenowell device. Now, this in comparison to the old device, which I have reviewed before on this channel, simply is better in several ways. First, there's more modes and settings, so you get more versatility with activating your vagus nerve in different ways. So that's the first benefit. And then the second benefit is you get to see in real time, real time before and after, I guess I should say, real time before and after, the effects on your heart rate variability, HRV, and your sleep score once again. So what I like about this is out of all the vagus nerve stimulating devices, once again, it's very passive. Other devices you have to hold, so you have to like literally sit there and hold it with your hand on your neck. There is some devices that are wristbands. And this device though, I mean, once you set it, it's a set it and forget it type of thing, which is really nice because when you're looking to downgrade, well not downgrade, but lower your nervous system activity and really down regulate, I should say is a better word, your nervous system into parasympathetic from fight or flight at the end of the day or post-workout or whatever it may be, just to get into a state of relaxation, this device is really nice because you simply turn on and let it run. So with that being said, there are a few different things. There's a spray bottle as well as a gel. Both of them are applicable to putting on the tip of this. I personally only use the water. I don't know what's in the gel, and I don't like putting things on my body that I don't know the source of. So the water in a spray bottle, you just spray it on the tip of this and then put it in your earlobe, and then you turn the session on. So I'm just gonna do a meditation session just to show. And with that, you know what, I need the app to do it. So I'm not gonna be able to show you in this video, but actually no, I can do it without the app. So you just push plus. So the session starts and you'll feel a tingling in your earlobe. You can go up. So 2, 3, 4, the stronger it is, the more you're gonna feel it. And then the weaker it is, the less you're gonna feel it. So you have the plus, up, minus, down, and then the different modes and then the play and pause. So if you wanna like pause it and you're like, oh, I need to take a break, you pause it and then you come back to it. So the device is very simple. It's easy to travel with, it's small. It's just a little, plug in right here to the ear piece. I will say sometimes this little cord gets in the way. That's kind of one downside about it. And if I'm moving or like rip it out or pull at it and then I gotta kind of readjust it. So I don't really like that aspect of it, but I will say out of all the vagus nerve devices I own, and I own 3 now, actually 4, but 3 of this from different products or different brands, because I have 2 of these now, but this is their newest one. This one in particular is the best as far as like tracking data. So the fact that it scans your face, shows you heart rate variability, and sleep score in real time before and after your session is absolutely incredible. I love that aspect of it because it shows you the real-time effects of this device. And for me, I get a lower heart rate and better heart rate variability. And my sleep score usually stays pretty similar, but there's a slight change there. But I notice my heart rate and heart rate variability change, pretty drastically sometimes. So for example, I think the first time I did it, my heart rate went from like 60 something, I want to say it was, 80, 70, somewhere around there. But it basically went down 20 BPM, 20 beats per minute to And I looked it up because my heart rate was so low that I was like, is this okay? Like, am I all right? And when I looked it up, it was like, this is the heart rate of elite level athletes. And I was like, thank you, cool. I just became an elite level athlete. So this puts your body into a state and a condition to keep your central nervous system, your CNS, calm and regulated. And one thing to keep in mind too is your vagus nerve runs from your brainstem to your cardiovascular system to your gut. Your brain and your cardiovascular system and your gut are the three most energy dense centers of the body. They have the most mitochondria. These are the cells that produce ATP, which is your cellular energy essentially. So your vagus nerve, it regulates whether or not you're in fight or flight, right? Like you're like about to work out or literally fight, or high stress, high strung, or whether you're in rest and digest and you're digesting food well and your heart rate is calm and your brain is calm. So to get back into that calm state for your brain, for your cardiovascular system, and for your gut, this is really cool. The other thing I like about the new Luna in particular is in the app, they have a setting where it's inhalation, exhalation, and it'll 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out, and then you can select like fire, ocean, wind, rain, something like that, like different nature sounds to go with it. So you can zone in even further with your mind and your breathing patterns, which further regulates in a healthy way your vagus nerve. So it kind of, the thing I like about it is not only is this working to get you into a parasympathetic response in your nervous system, but it's also actually conditioning you, psychologically speaking, to breathe and get in tune with your nervous system, specifically your vagus nerve, which is your master nerve that controls all other nerves in your body and your entire CNS, once again, central nervous system. So the Luna Plus is definitely better, much better than the last one. The last one was kind of basic, but this one with the added, I guess you would say like coaching, if you will, with breathing patterns and sounds. I think that's really cool. And then the tracking in the app is really cool. And then the different modes for sleep, digestion, meditation, relax, relieve. There's something like 6, I'll put them here, but I love all of it. So check out the Zenowell device right below this video. If you wanna get a vagus nerve stimulating device, this is great. Also, I will say this too, for those of you that have like tinnitus or ear ringing, this is probably going to, I won't say it's gonna help, but I won't say it's not gonna help. It could help because stimulating your vagus nerve articular in your earlobe, that's the direct path there. And I've heard from different people that if they have ringing in their ears and their nervous system calms down, the ringing decreases. I'm not saying it's gonna stop your ear ringing or tinnitus, but it could possibly, potentially help reduce that so you feel calmer and your tinnitus is kept at bay a little bit more. So check out the video. I'll put the video here for more 3 different vagus nerve stimulating devices, but check out Zenowell right below this video. And if you wanna get discounts on more than 30 different health and wellness brands, visit healthywildfree.com/shop right below in the comment section. Oh, one more thing. This is normally like $600. Right now it's like $470, and they give you a free wristband along with that. So I didn't get the wristband. I was too early, which is usually a good thing. But in this case, it's $170 off, and you get a free wristband if you get the Zenowell Luna. And the wristband, you could just wear it in public. And I have one of those from another brand, and they're absolutely awesome. So I'll put that specific link right below this video so you can get that discount and the free vagus nerve stimulating wristband as well. So check out all the links below, subscribe for future health and wellness reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.